Jay, we've sold in the job, we've done our design, we're ready to start, but of course, every job should start with arguably the most important tools that you can use, and that's your personal protective equipment and your safety gear.
Yeah, you may not always think of them as tools, but these are probably some of the most important tools to keep you safe. We at Unilock have a saying that safety is second to none, and we truly believe that. We want every man and woman to go home to their families the same way they came to work that morning.
Yeah, it's something that we really strongly believe and we're passionate about here at Unilock, and something that we want to extend to the entire hardscaping profession at large. So Jay, let's jump into a couple of the items that we have in front of us and talk about what we should be seeing on every single job site.
For sure. We have first, here's a high-vis safety vest. It's always great to be visible. You have machine operators that don't always have the best line of sight for everyone on site. So just keeping you nice and bright can save you from getting in an accident. I've got steel toe boots and a hard hat here, so keeping you safe from head to toe. Concrete, it can be rough on your skin. Having a pair of gloves, you're going to be handling it all day, can really help with that.
For sure.
Got a couple items over there.
Yeah, absolutely. So a good pair of safety glasses, just keeping debris free from your eyes, obviously, especially when you're cutting or you get into the phase of the project where there could be some dust or stone chip. You definitely want to keep your eyes safe. And this is something that we see quite often, some ear protection. Saws are loud, heavy equipment's quite loud. You definitely want to protect your ears. Some workers do use the in-ear style.
Sponge ones, yeah.
And nothing wrong with that. A nice pair like this will protect you as well.
And what am we missing on this table?
I'm glad you mentioned that, Jay. So these are all the types of things that are going to protect you from an immediate risk, and they are the most common things that we see on the job site, but we don't always see proper respiratory protection.
It's such an important key piece of safety equipment. Yeah. When you cut concrete, you're going to create silica dust, and that is very dangerous to breathe into your lungs. There can be long-lasting health risks with that. So you've got a half mask there, a nice respirator with P100 filters. Do you want to try it on?
Yeah, absolutely.
You can also use a N95 mask. These are great. We're going to show you how to put it on. So that part slips over the head. He's going to link it around the back of his neck. And then there's two straps right there. And I got to mention, this is my favorite part of the presentation because Nick doesn't get to talk for a few minutes and I get to say a few words. And then there's a couple of nose ones to keep it tight on your nose. And a nice little test we like to do here is by covering the filters, taking a couple of breaths. And if you see the silicone go flex in and out, you know it's making a good seal. All right, Nick, you can breathe now.
Yeah, Jay, thanks. And we really can't overstate how important that is. Unfortunately, on a lot of job sites, we're still seeing guys, while there's cutting going on, burying their head into their shoulder or
pulling their shirt up over their nose. Yeah.
It's just not giving you the adequate amount of protection. You can still get particles in your lungs, and the long-term effects can be extremely detrimental. So again, safety second to none here at Unilock. We'd like to impart that to you folks who are watching as well. And it's our hope that you do take safety as seriously as we do here at Unilock.
Great, thank you.